SteamOS 3.7 just dropped, and it's huge. Now it supports ROG Ally, Legion Go, and more. Stick with GadInsider to level up your gaming. What's good, gaming fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Valve unleashed SteamOS 3.7, bringing official support for rival handhelds like Asus ROG Ally and Lenovo Legion Go, plus a ton of software upgrades. Let's dive into what's new. SteamOS 3.7 version 3.7.8 now officially supports non-Steam Deck hardware like the Asus ROG Ally, Lenovo Legion Go, and Go S, with guides to install it on the originals. It's a big win for AMD-based handhelds, desktops, and laptops with NVMe SSDs. Valve also upgraded the Linux kernel to 6.11, added a new Arch Linux base, Plasma 6.2.5 for desktop mode, and fresh Mesa graphic drivers for smoother performance. Why is this update fire? It turns rival handhelds into Steam Deck rivals with SteamOS's slick interface and game optimizations. X-users are stoked for the SteamOS Compatible game label, although some note the lack of dual boot with Windows. With support for AMD hardware, you can transform your Legion Go or ROG Ally into SteamOS Beast, but you'll need to disable Secure Boot. Ready to try it? Grab an AMD-powered device with an NVMe SSD, disable Secure Boot, and follow Valve's install guide at steampowered.com. Check compatibility for ROG Ally or Legion Go, and follow GadInsider for step-by-step tutorials. And that's the buzz on SteamOS 3.7, GadInsider fans. Are you installing it on your ROG Ally or sticking with Steam Deck? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the gaming loop.